Hello and welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by W3 Academy. In this video, I will show you that how you can remove a blank page from Microsoft Word document. Usually you'll get no option to remove a blank page from Microsoft Office document. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the pretty simple trick to remove the blank page from Microsoft Word document. So let's start our video. First of all, I have a document here and okay, I have a blank page here and I've got no option to remove this blank page by default. So what I have to do is I will remove this page with a very simple trick, with a pretty simple trick. So what you need to do is go to home and you will have to click here, show hide. You can do so by control plus static. So okay, now what you need to do is you can see that is a sample. I will have to select this page break. Okay, select all and cut this from here. Okay, now you can see that there's no page. The page is gone, and what I need to do is I will have to hide this again. So the page has been removed from my Word document. So this is the only way you can remove a blank page from your Word document. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you will get my videos regularly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.